Most people come to Thailand to eat the food, but today, guess what? We're cooking it in a private luxury resort kitchen in Krabi.
From crispy chicken parcels to 2 knockout curries and a dessert so unique you've probably never heard of it. You need to see it to believe it.
This authentic cooking class takes place right inside Toh Kin Khaw, the resort's signature Thai restaurant, and it's just us and the chef.
This is our teacher for the evening, Chef Wee. Warm, welcoming and full of stories. She's been cooking Thai cuisine for over 20 years and today she's letting us in on her secrets. We're starting with a delicious appetizer, crispy fried chicken parcels wrapped in a thin pastry. Fried off with some vegetables and then wrapped to perfection, or at least as close as we could get to it.
So how long should these take now? A couple of minutes?
Yes, and take.
Oh wow, they're already browning. Yeah.
And brown.
Don't forget him.
Already.
What's that, sorry?
The sweet plum.
Okay.
Sweet and sour plum sauce.
Oh, okay.
And deep brown.
That one's got really big, isn't it?
That was the one she did.
Ah.
Perfect.
Yes. Already done.
Next up, my choice of main for the evening, one of Thailand's most famous dishes, Massaman chicken curry. A rich hearty dish with Persian and Indian influence. Massaman is pure comfort food, the kind that hugs you from the inside, and the smell of that curry paste sizzling in the coconut cream, unreal. This is exactly why it's one of my favourite Thai dishes, and this is hands down the best massaman I've ever had.
Whilst Nikki's making her rich and mellow massaman, with my choice, I'm turning up the heat. Authentic Thai green curry. Chef Wee explained, green curry should be spicy. Fresh green chilies, Thai basil, kaffir lime, all green, all flavour. Although a red chilli never hurt anybody. Pro tip from Chef Wee, always add the basil last, just before serving. It keeps the aroma fresh and maximises on its impact. Ooh, Massaman or Thai green curry, which one would you pick? Let us know in the comments. See, we hadn't tried Massaman curry until we'd come to Thailand, because we don't really get it in the UK. It's more green curry, red curry, and that's kind of the limitation. But that is absolutely phenomenal. It's got a very nuttiness to it, but I'm amazed how the cinnamon comes through as well.
Yeah.
It's really delicious.
I wasn't expecting it, but the Thai green curry really surprised me. It was rich, full of flavour and much creamier and milder than I imagined. And the best part, I didn't even have to use my go-to phrase, my ped, which means no spice, just in case you ever need it.
One of the most fascinating things about Thai cuisine is how much it changes from region to region. Down south, like here in Krabi, the flavours tend to be bolder, spicier and a little bit saltier. Head up north and the dishes become more mellow, often highlighting fresh herbs and aromatics. One of our absolute favourites from the north was khao soi, a rich creamy curry noodle soup that completely blew us away. Be sure to check out our full video covering Chiang Mai where you can see more about that. That is absolutely beautiful, Wee. Really, really nice. There is absolutely nothing left. Ready? Now for dessert. Bloody hell.
For dessert, we made something we'd never tried before, bua loi, or sweet sticky rice dumplings in coconut milk. These small colourful dumplings are all natural, with their colour coming from sweet potato, pandan and coconut milk. It melts into your mouth like silk, warm, tender and unexpectedly light.
Bua loi means floating lotus, perfectly describing how these delicate colourful dumplings bob in a bowl of creamy sweet coconut milk. We came for a cooking class but left with a much deeper connection. Food tells the story of a culture, and learning how to balance Thai flavours showed us not just how to cook, but how to truly understand the heart of this country.
The class cost us just £67 for the two of us, and that included a starter, 2 mains, dessert and drinks.
On top of that, we were given curry paste packs so we can recreate the dishes at home, a Thai recipe book and even one of the aprons we wore. Honestly, it was incredible value and one of the main highlights of our trip.
Huge thank you to Chef Wee and the team at the Dusit Thani for giving us a truly immersive Thai culinary experience.
If you're in Thailand, make sure to book a cooking class. And if you're in Krabi, do not miss this class. Whether you're a foodie or just curious, it's one of the best things you can do.
Which of these dishes would you want to try first? Let us know in the comments.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to support the channel. And maybe share it with your foodie friends so they can come along on the next adventure too.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.